my new chick try and get fit, said she too thick. Ain't no such thing as too thick. What you want, be a toothpick?
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this will be an iPhone XS Max unboxing, and I do have the gold version and 256 gigs. And this is a different video for my viewers, and know that this is not a tech channel, so spare me in the comments. But yeah, it retails for $12.49. I did get the insurance for $14.99 a month, which includes damage, loss, and theft. And I also purchased some accessories, and this will not be a Daquana white video without a haul, so I will do that on the second part of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off. So it's a typical Apple box, and this is only my second phone from Apple. My first phone was the 7 Plus, so this is the 7 Plus right here. And I'll take the case off if you want a size comparison. So yeah, basically you just lift the top off of it. Standard Apple packaging. Yeah, I'm not about to go into all of that. I'm pretty sure you've seen some of those. So it says designed by Apple in California. So in here you get your hello. You get, I actually need this to put my SIM in, so I'm gonna put that to the side. Your warranty and the stickers, and of course this quick start guide. So then here is the phone. Oh, I love it. It's not it's basically the same size, but it's going to be different because it doesn't have the bezels. The specs are probably a little bit different, but the size is really similar. So that is it. That's the color. It's a really nice gold, and I'm sorry if the ring lights kind of reflect on it, but I don't have a lot of natural light in here. But that's nice. Okay. It has a nice weight to it as well. So we're going to set that over there. Actual size. I like that. The phone is actual size on the box. So then you have your wall brick, wall adapter, whatever you want to call it, but like a power block basically. So that's what it looks like. I mean, you probably know, standard Apple stuff. The headphones, it doesn't come with a dongle this time. They are Lightning headphones, so some people were mad about that, but the dongle is literally like $9. But I will be using AirPods, so I will show you guys that. But I do like to have the option of the wire, so I will keep these because I lost my other ones. So then, of course, you have your USB cord, your lightning cable, whatever these people call it, and that's pretty much everything that's in the box. Pretty typical, pretty standard. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this phone, like, let's get the phone on. Like, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. So, do I want to turn it on then peel it, or do I want to peel it then turn it on? This is probably not going to be satisfying for some people because I'm like, I don't even have my screen protectors yet, so I'm like I don't want to drop this or anything. They don't come to tomorrow, and I ordered them from Amazon. It was like 3 for $18 or something. But yeah. This is so like, and this is my newest phone since the 7 Plus. I got the 7 Plus in January of 2017, so this is my first time updating. I really didn't want to update unless it was worth it. And I feel like I wanted the iPhone 10, but I wanted a bigger version of it. So you do see it powering on. The different languages, the home bar. There's no longer a home button. It has Face ID. Oh, am I gonna get used to it? And I'm keeping my 7 Plus around for vlogging, so I don't know how it's gonna be trying to manage both of these. So United States. Of course my other phone wants to be doing stuff. It's actually Apple telling me that the phone was delivered. If you have an iPhone, bring it nearby. It's nearby. Yes, I want to continue. Hold your new phone up to the camera. So do I hold it like that? Oh, wow. That's so cool. Okay, I can't put in my passcode on the camera. I'm going to take the case off of the 7 Plus. Oh, it looks so dusty compared to the new one. But that's really just a screen protector. Anyways, so my ringer went off. Okay. Come on. It really does look dusty on the front compared to the other. If you're wondering about this case, it actually came from a place called, what is it called? That's poppin.com. Poppin with an N, no G at the end of it. So, yeah, that's where that came from. The 7 Plus looks to be a bit wider and thicker, but I could be tripping. No. The 10 is definitely, I think, thicker. But, yeah, they're about the same size. It's a bit, yeah, it's not really much of a difference. But this said 3 minutes for like 10 minutes. So now right here, it's telling you some gestures. Which I'm already familiar with after watching all of these unboxing videos and stuff. And it says swipe up to get started. So this is it. This is it. The only thing I have to do is put my SIM in. Now it needs all my passwords. So I'll go set that up later. I have too many text messages. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up so you guys can see. I'm gonna try to not have it reflect. So basically this phone no longer has the home button. We already established that. So how do you get home? If you're in that, you would just press the, let's open Safari so then it'll make, all right, that's how you go home. And then this is how you get to your control center. And then keep in mind now we don't have our percentage up here, so it's gonna irk me a little bit, but you can just swipe down and get your percentage. It says no SIM, I didn't put it in yet. And if you swipe down from anywhere else, you will have your notifications. I know the SIM is not installed. Apparently when you swipe down for your notifications, you also have a quick access to your camera and flashlight. Swipe back up. If you want to get to, let's open another app. Let's go home. But you would just do that, swipe over, and then you can get to your recent apps. Oh, okay. So on this phone, they made it swipeable again, so that's cool. And that's how you jump in between apps. Okay, so you have to actually hold the bottom, you know, because I was trying to swipe a little bit further. So I'm going to go back home. So they were really excited about that because it kind of hides the notch a little bit. It is a live one. So it does move. So yeah, I'm going to let that sit over here. Face ID. That was so cool. I love it. So I did get the AirPods or AirPods. They retail for about $159.99, so $160. Yeah, they just look like this, and this box is a standard Apple box. When you take it off, complaining because it's not a Class C charger, and because it's not a fast charger inside the box, but that doesn't really bother me. But we're gonna go ahead and get into these AirPods. I did get a cheaper version off of Amazon, which of course are not made by Apple, but they tend to fall out of my ear, so I'm hoping that these are smaller, and the case is significantly smaller. This one is actually from Amazon. It was about $30, and they just look like that. So they are kind of big, and it's basically the same concept with the charging and stuff like that. But I think the AirPod would be smaller just because of, yeah, the case that it's in. The only thing is this case actually stands on its own and this one does not. But the actual AirPod itself is way smaller, and I think it's going to be definitely more prone to stay in my ear compared to the ones from Amazon. So that's that. Definitely a significant change in size, and I think this one will be way more comfortable and it will stay in my ear. So we're gonna put the next thing I actually purchased from Apple, which is the Belkin Charging Pad, or this one was $69.99. Again, they have the black version, and a lot of people like the Samsung one better because it actually like docks your phone somewhat, sits it up, but it doesn't really matter to me. And I got two because one is going to be in my office, one is going to be in a common area, and then the dock is going to be in my actual room. So that's this one. The only thing is with this one, it comes with a power, an AC adapter, and the other one I'll show you is going to be more, I guess, it's going to be smaller and more convenient, I guess, for some people. So that's the AC adapter. So it's a little bit bulky compared to the other one. So going into the stuff I got from Amazon, as I mentioned, the AirPods are about $30. I will link all this stuff down below in case you are interested in looking for it or looking at it. And then also with the wireless charging pad, and this is, I guess, by Vibak, and it looks similar to Apple packaging. You pull that off, and they also have the little information packet, but it's really like a knockoff of Apple products. And then you have the actual charging pad, which has a very similar feel to the other one, but this one is a little, I don't know, more sleek, I guess, compared to that one. I guess because of the edging of it all, but I think I'll put this one in the office and the other one in the common area, or we'll see. We'll have to see. So this one actually comes with a USB cord, and you'll have to find a wall adapter for that. So, and it has like a cleaning cloth. So that's that, and that one was $30. So I also got two cases, and these are just clear cases that should fit a 6.5-inch phone. This wasn't necessarily for my iPhone XS Max. This was really for my 7 Plus, because my backpack comes with like a USB input, and I can charge my phone via backpack, but of course it needs a power bank. So I got the Anchor one. This was about $34, and it charges, once it's fully charged, it can charge your device 2.5 times fully. So, well, 2 times fully, and then I guess 50% the third time. And then of course you would have to recharge your power bank. So I did get that, and it's really for my book bag. And it was originally for my 7 Plus because I didn't know I wanted the XS Max until I knew I wanted it. By the way, I ordered it on the 14th as soon as the website allowed me to order it. So it was like a 15-minute hold up, but I still was able to get the gold. When I look on there now, the next order says it'll be shipping out October 4th through 11th, I think. So I'm thinking that they're on back order, but I'm not really sure. So the next thing I have is a long arm car mount holder. Now this is really for my 7 Plus, for like a dash cam when I'm vlogging. This is not really for my XS Max because I don't plan to vlog on that phone. And I already have a holder in there if I do want to sit my phone up on the dash, or it's actually a vent clip. So that's just this, and it attaches to the windshield and the dash, so it has extra security. And this was about no more than 15 bucks, I don't think. I actually forgot. I actually thought I had all of these prices in my head. More things is like a phone tripod, and this is really because I do want to do photography for my Instagram, or take pictures for my Instagram from my iPhone XS Max. And my old tripod, this was $12, and my old one, this is an aluminum 50-inch one. The other one is literally on its last leg, like the legs are breaking, but I had it for about 4 years, so, and it's a $12 product, so I'm not really pressed about buying a new one. So yeah, I have that, and then of course I have my real like metal steel one for my actual camera, which is being held up right now. So yeah, I just got this, and I'm not going to take it out of the box. It's just a regular aluminum tripod. So lastly, and I'll let you guys go, I have this 3-in-1 charging station, and it's like a rose gold color, but it looks more pink, and it's for the AirPods, Apple Watch, and iPhone. Now I don't plan to get the Apple Watch yet, but I do plan to get one. So yeah, now this is for my room because my room has hints of pink in it, so that's why I went ahead and got this for my room. So once you take it out, it looks like that, and I'll show you the top view of it. So that's what it looks like, and I love that the bottom has these wire holders, so it'll hold it into place, and you're not just sitting the dock on top of your wires. And then you have the actual stands, which are going to hold your phone and your watch. So I'll go ahead and screw them on really quickly. So that's pretty much it. This actual dock was like $35.97, so about 36 bucks. Again, it says rose gold, but it looks more pinky, but it does have like a rose gold sheen to it. I guess this is also supposed to be rose gold, but it looks pinky, but I guess that's their idea of rose gold. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed, and like I said, this is not a tech channel, so don't do me in the comments, okay? Okay, yeah, the reachability did, that's gonna come in handy because my hands are not that, you know, I can't really reach stuff. I had a problem holding my iPhone 7 Plus with one hand, so this won't be an exception. I'm trying to see if the 3D touch works. Okay, so 3D touch does work. I think I'm gonna turn it from medium to light as far as touch. So yeah, I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more panels to the control, and I'm gonna add my SIM card and get started and start playing with this. I'll probably be back in a month to let you guys know how I feel about having it. And let me put the case on really quickly. Rubber case, the edges are a little firmer, and we're gonna go ahead and put that on. It fits really nicely. That's how it looks. I wish it was like a little more clearer. It kind of takes away from the gold of it all, but it works for now. I don't like the size because they're like dull. So let me see the other case. So this one, we're gonna try this one. Okay, this one does a little more justice. The sides are not dull like the other one, so we're just gonna go with this one for now. And okay, it does require attention for Face ID, so I wanted to make sure that it only worked when I was looking at it, and not when I was asleep or, you know, anything like that. But if you're wearing like dark shades, I know some people turn this feature off, so it'll be able to, I guess, go by the depth of your face rather than your eyes. But I'm going to require attention to unlock. But anywho, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna go ahead and play with this a little bit. And why is my blackboard over here? Blackboard, I'll just put right there, and you can press done when you're done. So I'm gonna put my sim in and get started.